Are you tired of expensive medicine that many times doesn't help at all? Then maybe honey is the right thing for you. This sweet and thick liquid made by honeybees is loved worldwide today and has been used for thousands of years by humans. From adding it as a natural sweetener to your baking to helping you treat a cough, honey has so many beneficial uses for us. In this video, we are going to look at how honey can be used for medicinal purposes. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy what we have for you today. If you like what you're seeing, please like, subscribe, and comment when the video has come to an end. We can all recall the time when we were young and got a cold. Our dear mama and papa would prepare some hot tea with a lot of honey for us in bed. As sweet and nice the tea was, did it actually make any difference to our recovery? Coughing is a common problem that happens to everyone, especially when you are a child. It can be very uncomfortable for both the parent as well as the child. Nocturnal cough affects everyone since the child is suffering with a cough and the concerned parent stays up all night with the child. Frequent coughing also hurts your throat, making it difficult to talk, eat, as well as drink. Let's be realistic here. Cough medicine tastes really bad and it costs much, and many times it's not even effective against coughing. The cough syrup might also have some nasty side effects such as blurred vision, nausea, vomiting, trouble sleeping, dizziness, and much more. Several studies show that honey can be a great alternative when it comes to treating both dry and a wet cough. Research has also shown that drinking a teaspoon of raw honey helps against irritation of soreness in your throat. Honey also relieves nocturnal cough, which will help you sleep better, allowing your body to heal faster. Unlike many cough medicines, honey doesn't have any side effects. However, never give it to a child under the age of 1 because you risk getting botulism. Do you suffer from any sleeping disorders? Do you spend your nights staring at the ceiling, tossing and turning, just fearing how tired you will be when the alarm starts ringing and you have to get up from bed? Well, if that is the case, then you are not alone. Some studies show that 50% of the adult population of the world is suffering from some type of sleeping disorders or are deprived of sleep somehow. Sleeping pills might be a scary thought since they are highly addictive and very costly. There are many ways that can help you to fall asleep faster and remain sleeping throughout the night without taking any sleeping medications, and honey is just one of them. Low levels of glycogen will tell your brain that it's now time to eat. If you have many hours between your last meal and the time you go to sleep, chances are that the feeling of hunger will wake you up in the middle of the night. Consuming honey before you go to sleep restocks the liver with glycogen, which is also important for a full night's sleep. Honey also helps your brain to release serotonin, which the body converts into melatonin, a hormone that your body uses to restore itself during sleep. If you want to try honey as a natural sleeping pill, all you need to do is add 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey to a glass of warm milk or chamomile tea and then drink 30 minutes before bed. We hope that this is a simple treatment that will make you have a sweet night. Did you know that honey can also help treat wounds and burns? If not, you just found the right video. Humans have been using honey on wounds for centuries, and even though there are many modern ways to treat wounds today, honey may be a great alternative for certain wounds. This is because honey has antioxidant, antifungal, as well as antibacterial properties, which is very essential for wound healing. When applied to the skin, honey can be a part of an effective treatment plan when it comes to wounds, burns, and other skin conditions. If you are considering using honey for a wound treatment, ideally you should be using medical grade honey, which is sterilized. Always consult with a doctor before experimenting on your own, and if you decide to apply honey to the wound, please have a professional trained medical staff showing you how to apply the honey. Honey is not only sweet to consume, but it also offers several potential health benefits, and it might be a great alternative for some of your health issues. Make sure to always do your own research and speak to a health professional before you use honey as an alternative. If you stuck around all the way to the end of this video, we would like to thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions of the next video, please leave a comment down below.